Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. This month's challenge is comfort food. So there's going to be biscuits and gravy sometime this month, just FYI. I have to make it because I've made it before, but I'm going to make it again. But tonight we're doing beef stroganoff, something I've actually never done well before, but today will be a different day. I found a recipe on YouTube. I'm going to give it a shot. So let's get to it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to preheat my pan, my skillet. I'm going to get my, dang it, a little trouble opening the package. So I got, I'm going to do 2 cups of beef broth. Oop, turned the wrong burner on. Alright, so what I got here is I got some, I got a chuck steak. This is $4.63. It was marked down, so I thought, well, that sounds like a good deal. What I want to do is I want to Alright, got my meat, go ahead and season it. The usual seasonings. Go ahead and kill the heat on that. Transfer the meat over to my broth. I've added another cup because I wasn't sure it'd be enough. Okay. Alright, so that's almost to a boil. Now what I want to do is turn the heat down to low. And let that cook. Basically on low for about an hour. So, see you guys in an hour. I'm gonna finish this up because it smells really good in here. So, I'm gonna chop up my mushrooms and saute them. I really hope I didn't hit record at the worst time. And I may not have been recording any of it. Dang it. Anyway, if I did hit record at the wrong time, I sauteed up my mushrooms. I'm gonna add them to the So I salted my mushrooms and I added a little bit of flour to them because the flour in here hopefully will make like a gravy. So. Being a jerk. Turn the heat on that, bring it back up to a boil. Oh, my water is rapidly going, so I'm going to add my 1 cup. Put a little extra in there. Egg noodles. 8 minutes on that. Alright, we got something else that goes in here, and that is sour cream. Hopefully there's enough flour in here to make this thick. I think I just have to stir this until it's all in there. I think I may have made enough for tomorrow's lunch too, so bonus. Alright. So we're gonna kill that. Place them up. Alrighty. Kinda wish it was a little bit thicker, but I bet it'll thicken up as it sits, so. Alright, there we go. Sweet. Beef stroganoff. Alright. Give this guy a taste. I want to try that meat. Pretty good. Kind of wish it was a little bit thicker, but the flavors are nice. Meat's real good. All right. Sorry, my dryer. Anyway, link for a cast iron cooking playlist will be down in the description, as well as the end cards. I thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. If you have any suggestions for next week, let me know. Alright, peace.